Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Place Covered Skies. I'm here today to do an unboxing of Your Creative Studio. This is a monthly subscription box and I will have their information down in the description box. But I already did one video for TikTok, that's why it's all out here like this. But I am going to be going through each of the items and let's get started. So we have some botanical stickers here, some stamp stickers with mushrooms. I don't have that many mushroom things, so I'm happy to have these. Now I did an unboxing for them before. They did send me this box to unbox here on my channel, so you guys can see what types of things it comes with. Some more botanical stickers right there. This is kind of like a clear, like if you stick it over something like a book page, you'll be able to see the words through because it's a little bit sheer. I love this one. I love these mushroom images right here. And it has texture to it. And there are these other tags here. I can't wait to do some collage layouts with these. It just seems like there's so many projects. I've been meaning to do some work in my collage book. All right, these are vellum. Oh, these are stickers, I think. Let's see. I think they're like sheer stickers. Let me see if I can peel one. Yes. And this looks like Alice in Wonderland, which is great because I am going to be doing Alice in Wonderland at some point. But I think it would be really cool just to do a collage with that too. It's watermelon. I love that these are sheer. And I love that they're stickers. I think these will be really fun to work with. Is this Abba Zaba? Do they still have this candy? I remember this is one of my favorites back in the 80s and 90s. Lots of food pictures here that's making me hungry. Fries and ketchup. Coca-Cola, Dr. Pepper. This is kind of cool. It gives me 80s vibes. This guy's in a sports car and the Dr. Pepper's in a milk carton type thing. I think this would be really fun to do like a little collage layout with, because they have like a vintage feel to them, but they're not necessarily like super vintage. They give kind of like 80s, an 80s vibe. I love these ones. This is really cute. I love this. Love it. This, it's like, it looks like vintage, like 50s cakes. How they used to make homemade cakes. This looks really fun. A strawberry cake. Some pears, a lady with her coffee. This is a fun one right here. That looks delicious. And this one. This would be fun to do a collage with and think of like a funny saying or something because of her expression. All right, there are clear stickers here of these rolling pins. They're clear. They always come with a little thank you note, which is cool. These little pieces are vellum. Again, I love this vibe. It's like vintage retro. Ice cream. This one is one of these other stickers got mixed in here. That looks good. This one's fun. It reminds me of like the botanical layouts, but this is food, desserts. A romantic meal for two. Like, you guys get what I'm saying? It's like kind of cool, kind of retro, but also kind of modern. Okay, and then these are rub-on transfers. So there's 3 pages of them, and it comes with this little tool. So there's that. There are 2 stamps on wood blocks. It looks like a piece of cherry cake, and then someone's serving whatever's in there. Some washi tape right here. And this little booklet with these cool images. They're really cool. They're like that same style, that vintage retro style. And these are like little sheets. So let's go through some of them. That's fun. Fairy tales. These look almost like they were magazine covers or something. This really makes me want to do some collaging. I really want to look through all of these. Little Red Riding Hood, some roses. This one has a Victorian era feel to it. I love these. Harper's Bazaar. Let me try to go through them a little bit quicker. I need to figure out like little coupons. Save 15 cents. I love coupons. I need to figure out how to store these because I am accumulating quite a collection. And I just need to find time. This is a Robitussin. See, this is more 80s. Which is cool too. I love the 80s. This looks more 80s, I think. This one's more 80s. But I need to figure out a way to store these. And then I need to use them to do some collaging or art journaling with them. But yeah, I love this little booklet. I really like this type of image right here. And this one. All right, so there's that. And there's these little food stickers, which always make me hungry. These are just like, they look like all bakery items, breads, and there's bread right there, pretzels, croissants, baguettes, waffles, okay, so there's those, and then these are vellum, larger vellum sheets. And then these are larger, more like scrapbooking paper, I would say. And then there's a set of these cling, I'm not sure what you would call them, but they probably cling to, let's open it, cling to a block. I don't think I've ever had red ones that are Klingon. Yeah. So there's this spoon. I love the spoon. And these chefs, right? Or bakers. And some other little knickknacks from the kitchen. So there's that. And it's really cool to get stuff like this because you could use it over and over. And then there's little pieces of tissue paper. It has a really good feel to it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this type of box, this is, I'm not sure which month this is from, but this is 1 month. So the next month would be a different theme. This month's theme was, I mean, you guys saw, but it's like the baking theme. If you want more information on your creative studio, go ahead and click the link in my description box. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.